Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to create a standalone database for Primavera. If you already download the Primavera and you get the license and you install on your PC, you have to download from the Oracle site. For the Primavera, you have to create your own user ID and password, and you can purchase the license version. If you purchase the license version, you can use the cloud-based database, so you can share the data on and you can see the data on the cloud. But if you installed and you want to create one database, so how you can create, just go to the database and you can see here PMB. If you want to delete this one, you can delete, or configure, you can choose the same PMB. And also I will click here P6 Pro Standalone SQLite, click this one and next. You can see here add a new standalone database and connection, click this one, click next and enter the login name. It is showing admin, so if you want to change you can change, but I will use as it is. And also you can give the password. I am giving like password, any password. It should be enter new password and confirm password, and you can enter. As of now I use same one and just click next, and it is asking to save this database file folder, so it is saving in documents. So if you want to save this database file, you can change the location, browse, and you can change the location as well to save D drive or on any other folder you can choose. As of now I will keep as it is in documents, it is saving in documents. Also if you are using OneDrive, for example, the by default documents and desktop pictures, it will sync to the OneDrive. In future if you lose the database file, if it is corrupted, you can get the backup from the OneDrive, because it is directly syncing to the OneDrive. So just I will click next and finish. Now just go to logins and enter here admin and the password whatever you set, and click password. And after entering, you can see here if you create the another database you can select, but I only created this same database. I just change the configuration settings and click connect. So once you click, it will open the Oracle. Just click OK. You can see here this is the standalone database for the local computer. You can install and you can create like this. So after that you can do your own work from here. For the you can open files and create new, or else whatever import and export as per your workflow, you can do this work. I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.